Good morning, everyone. It's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh, and I have another card share, and so I'm going to show you. I am using the Halloween gift uh, card holders, and there is three of them: the pumpkin, the owl, and the turkey, and they're to give gift cards, but I did something else instead. So I used in my stash all of Anna's uh, metallic um, shiny cardstock. I used the ornamental foil stickers, and I used this one I've had for a long time. Well, it's 2022, so it's not that long. Anna Griffin Vintage Fall Decoupage die cuts, and there's layers of them, so I only used one instead of making three or four layers. I only used one, and then it goes a long way. So this is what I made. I made um, instead of making it a card holder, which you could change their little place settings. So see, and that's what that is. And see how it sits up, and you could put someone's name right here. And if they're coming over for Thanksgiving, and then here's another one. Here is another one. Ooh, that's got glue on it. So you can see these are the decoupage pieces and these are the gold foil pieces. And then I made two owls for Halloween. One says hello pumpkin and happy Halloween. This one says give thanks, but they stand up. Isn't that cute? I think it's so cute. Oh, this one doesn't have anything on the back. That's just a card. So I forgot about that one. But yeah, I just wanted to show you how they stand up. All you do is use the die and the back of it. You just glue the one piece. This one I'll show you better. See how you just glue the one flap down? It was too long, so I did trim it off a little. So there's your walkthrough tutorial, and it just sits up, and they all sit up. So cute. You got to push on it a little. Let's move this out of the way. Push on it a little, and they'll all stand up. I say they will. Now I'm rushing. Okay, let's make sure it stands up. There you go. They will stand up. So there you go. They're so cute. Anyway, I just wanted to show you that. It's such a good idea. But if you are having trouble, make sure you have this kind of balance so it's not top heavy with the wording and everything. And they do stand up. Darn it, I'm going to make it stand up. There, I had to push the easel back a little to make it stand up. But see, it does work. So hopefully you like this, and let me show you the little witch decoupage and the little pumpkin on there, and then the turkeys are just different turkeys and all. But isn't that beautiful? I really like this. I'm going to mail these out or put them in mailboxes around the neighborhood. You know me. I'll give them out to somebody. Thank you, everybody. Have a blessed day. These are from annagriffin.com, and you can go to annagriffin.com.